All right, what's up, everyone? So today we are going to be making burgers. So again, you can eat hamburgers and be healthy. I mean, what are burgers? They're meat, a bun, vegetables. So again, you don't have to go to the McDonald's or Burger King and buy their burgers that aren't probably real anyway. So if you're using real meat, you're using real ingredients. That's what it tastes better too. Better for you, it tastes better. So we're using just some 96% lean beef. We're going to be using sourdough bread that I got from a local sourdough company, Urban Hippie, I think they're called, Urban Hippie, whatever they're called. I got it at the farmer's market the other day. So sourdough buns that are great. You can find some other buns, sprouted grain, other things like that, whole wheat, whatever you prefer. But we're just going to make half-pound burgers. So split these up here. Gonna take that off. Weigh them out. Perfect. That was a good split. I just ripped it in half and pretty much perfect. Nice. We'll count it. Good rip there. Then we're gonna make them into our patties. When we got the grill or the stovetop, you can do them on the grill wherever, and fry them up. So again, simple, easy. Enjoy foods that you love while being in shape, building muscle, burning fat, being athletic. This is part of our Athletic for Life diet, is making our own burgers. Again, learn to cook. I'm no master chef. You'll never find me at one of those 5-star fancy restaurants, but I do like to make my own food because it is cheaper, it is better for you, and you know what you're eating. I rarely eat out. I don't eat out very often. I met with like a guy, just some business contacts, just to meet with them, and he wanted to get lunch, and I said I'm not a big fan of eating out. So kept asking me if we want to go to a different spot, and I just said no, I don't want to eat out. I don't care to eat out. It's just it's a waste of money. Even like the quote unquote healthy places, they just overcharge for stuff I don't need, and when I can do it myself, half the time, half the money, and it doesn't take that much time. You spend some time. If you like prepping, prep. If you don't like prepping, then just make it before. But I think making your own food makes it so much easier to stay in shape, to stay on track, and just enjoy life a little bit more. Enjoy creating new recipes. So got these patties made up. We're gonna throw them on here, let them cook up, and then we'll flip them here in a little bit once they're good to go, and then we'll enjoy them. I'm making these for later, so we'll come back and we'll put them together the days we're eating them. But I'm gonna fry these up. We'll freeze them until I don't know what day I'm having them, and then we'll enjoy them on our sourdough bun. We'll put some pickles, some onion, some feta cheese, whatever. You can make it your own. Again, it's your creation, it's your food, but you can eat hamburgers and be healthy. All right, so we're eating our burger now. We're actually making it, or we made it. I showed you grilling or frying it up the other day in the pan. Now we're actually gonna make it and eat it. That's gonna be the good part. We got there, reheated it a little bit. So we got our big old fat 8-ounce patty. We got sourdough bun from Urban Hippie here in town. Got some what do they call? What's the brand of pickles? Best pickles I've ever had. Bubby's pickles are actually fermented, so they're unlike most pickles aren't fermented because they use vinegar. So these Bubby's ones are. I got some Hawaiian barbecue sauce on it. Primal Kitchen, I believe, is the brand. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit my mouth on them. So there's our that's gonna be a mouthful. Fat old burger, nice lean ground beef, sourdough bun, pickles, Hawaiian barbecue, some broccoli on the side. So again, feta cheese too. So we'll see how it is. Haven't made this before. Made it with the barbecue sauce, Hawaiian with the feta. But we'll see. Let's bite into it, see if it's any good. Like Guy Fieri, talk with my mouth full. Good. So, you can eat. Sorry, I finished chewing. You can eat burgers and be healthy. So, try it out. Lean ground beef, sourdough bun, feta cheese, fermented pickles, primal barbecue sauce, Hawaiian barbecue sauce, vegetable on the side, you're good to go. Try it out. Let me know how you think. What you think, not how you think. Or how you think and what you think. So, eat well, live well, be athletic for life.